Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic. Today I'm showing you how to make bone broth with either beef or chicken bones in your crock pot. So I just made the other day a chicken and beef roast, and so we are just simply adding carrots, celery, onions, apple cider vinegar, parsley, and thyme, and then we're gonna let them cook for about 12 hours. So I'm just gonna divide this celery into my two pots, my beef and my chicken. And then my carrots, I'm gonna add a little bit more to my beef and the rest to my chicken. And just 4 pieces or 1 onion to my chicken and 2 to 3 large onions in my beef. And with my beef, I'm gonna add half a cup of apple cider vinegar, the good stuff that you have to refrigerate and tends to have a little bit of stuff on the bottom, so shake it up before you use it. And only 2 tablespoons to the chicken. I'm gonna add some parsley. If you have fresh parsley, that's really best. And thyme. I'm gonna put these on low for 12 hours, and then when they are done, I'm going to strain them and keep the bone broth in jars. I can use them right away, or I can freeze them and use them later. They're delicious for soups, for just sipping broth, for just as plain, or in any really dish that you're gonna make. So last but not least, don't forget to add the water. I do not have any of the skin from the chickens in here, but I do have like some of the, not only the bones, but some of the other leftover broth that I didn't use for my original beef or chicken recipes, and I do have some of the other like leftover collagen pieces. I don't particularly put any chicken feet in my chicken dish, but some people do, so that's an option for you. You also can choose to put the like gizzards and the liver and the heart that you may have into your chicken broth or your beef broth pots, and cook those as well with your bone broth. So enjoy. Shout out to Amy Roop for the recipes that I utilize. It's a great book called Body Belief, and it's got a ton of good recipes for not only chicken and beef broth, but also fish broth or vegetable broth, and just utilizing those to help heal your gut, to help with allergies, and to help with your overall health and wellness, immune health. I love bone broth in so many ways. It's so great for you. It's great for your skin, great for anti-aging. So have a great day. Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic.